Hey Tech Motors family, this is the 2000 Toyota Harrier. It comes with the 3.0 V6 engine, same as the LEXUS RX 300 here in the United States. This vehicle has an automatic transmission and comes with 72,164 original miles. This vehicle is four-wheel drive, comes with 4 doors and a rear hatch as well. We are going to go ahead and take a look at the interior of the vehicle. I did want to let you know that once you put this vehicle in drive and start driving, all the doors will lock. When you put it in park, you'll have to push the unlock button because all the other 3 doors remain locked. As y'all can see, the lights do come on, so you know we have not punched them out. They also do go away. The number that you're seeing down here, 116,138. That's the kilometers. The miles on it again is 72,164. We are going to go ahead and take a look at the frame of the vehicle. We'll go ahead and start with the driver's side. Hey Tech Motors family, thanks for tuning in. If you are looking for the best factory right-hand drive postal vehicles across the USA, you are in the right place. Drive into savings with Tech Motors LLC, your ultimate destination for reliable factory right-hand drive postal vehicles. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications so you never miss out on our latest videos and deals. Let's keep driving together. Also, for more information and pictures, please visit our website at techmotorspostalcars.com. Or you can contact us at 423-716-2161. We'd be happy to answer any questions that y'all may have. Thank y'all so much for the continual support. We appreciate each and every one of y'all. It does mean the world to us. I do pray that y'all have a blessed and safe day.